Welcome to the next episode. Today is 22nd September and it's around 5 o'clock in the evening, and I'm giving you my weekly markets kya lagta hai. Actually, if you ask me, before we talk about markets kya lagta hai, let's first talk about an options trade which I am going to be suggesting to you. So this particular options trade will fetch you approximately 2000 rupees in credit, and it is going to take margin of about 55,000 rupees, which makes it around 3.8% profit on a weekly to week basis. By next Wednesday, actually by rule we exited by Wednesday, not ticket into Thursday, you should be able to make around 3% profit, which is huge, right? 52 weeks, so 52 multiplied by 3, almost 400 500%. So what is the trade? The trade is you are going to be selling the 18,100 call, and you are going to be selling 17,100 put, and against it you are going to be buying 400 points away, that is 1800 500 call and 16,700 put you are going to be buying. So if you do this, you are going to be asking for margin for about 55% is based on zero da. On your broker it could be little plus and minus, and this is how the strategy looks like. It is going to be profitable as long as the market remains around 3% up and 3% down in the whole week. And the probability of the win, which is the last row here, is about 77%. 77% chance that you will be able to make 3% in a week's time. A little less. At this point in time, it says the current return is minus 240. That is because when I have taken these prices, I have taken bid ask and I have not taken the last traded price. So maybe tomorrow, I don't know how do you get it better, or you get it the same way. As long as you get more than 1500 1600, you should go for this trade. Total theta per day is about 400. So every day you don't do, you just sleep, and you are going to be earning 400 rupees on that 55,000 of your margin. So far, this is how we have been doing. So first three are greens, clear green. The next one, actually, I did recommend a trade, and if somebody would have just taken that trade, would have earned around 1200 rupees of profit. But the markets opened below our support. So this trade may not have been taken. I did not take that trade, so I don't want to mark it as a green trade, but it was not taken. So no loss, no profit. Our money was secured with us, and this is this week's trade, which will anyway happen, right? So now let's quickly go back to reason why I look at it that way. So here is my Nifty chart, and we have looked at, and if you are new to this, please watch my last 2 weeks videos so that you will understand what we are in better. 15,200 we started an impulse, and we had a 1, we had a 2, and then on that 2 we've just finished the third, and this third was made up of 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this is how we have finished the third of this impulse, and now we are in the fourth wave. So fourth wave usually is a corrective wave. It's usually is a painful wave. It takes time to develop that wave, and it's usually sideways. That is when you see the markets being sideways, and that is why I don't want to take any directional trade in an aggression. So I'm recommending you to be able to trade between this wide range, the last top, which is around 18,100, and I expect this bottom, or the 38% of the wave third to be respected. It is possibility that it will get down. We have no idea. Let's see what happens. So if by theory, a good correction is around 50%. 38% is also normal correction. But 61% is on the little deeper side. Wave 4 correction usually does not go below 61%. So that is the range that we are looking at the markets to be coming together. And there is also a possibility that market could have finished all these corrections and it will go up. So there is high probability that markets will remain within this range, about 75% probability, and we will earn 3% in the coming week. The reason why we are earning little less is because of the low volatility. So today the volatility dropped substantially. I have already posted this to, I'm drilling down. I've posted this in details to my people who are there in my group. That even before today, that there is a probability of a fall, and this is, by the way, the correction is looking like. This is an A wave, this is a B wave. This is where last week we were, and we said buy 17,500 put, because we knew that 17,500 is a very good support. We did not ask you to buy, sell 17,500 put. We did not ask you to sell 17,700 or 800 put. And that is why the markets have helped us to make money. But anyway, this is the correction, and B, and then wave C. If it is A is equal to C, then it would come down to 17,270. At the same time, if the markets choose to do 38%, then it is 17,114 rupees. I don't think markets are in any major hurry to go below these levels. It will take time, but if at all it goes, then it would come down to 50% of that correction that we talked about, 16,800. But if it comes down to 16,800, it would be a decent enough opportunity for market to buy for a target of 18,200 odd levels, which we have been having for quite some time. So does it go above? Yes, there is also a theory which says that the markets this may be a wave 1, which is a start of a new impulse, and this could have been wave 2. If that is the case, then markets will not go below 17,170 levels, and from somewhere here they will start going up. So if you see markets crossing 17,920 30 levels, which were the high from yesterday, and start going up there, then you might as well want to convert this iron condor to a put a bull put spread, and just exit the call spread and try to make money. But that looks to be little low probable. Let's see. I mean, I can't know how the markets are going to be performing, what they have in mind. I can only dance as good as they want me to be dancing. So that is what we are here so far. Going back, this is the trade that I am going to be recommending you, which is talking about the short of 18,100 and short of 17,100 put, 18,100 call. Make sure you buy insurance against it. So 16,700 put and 18,500 call you buy. That is for the next week, which also happens to be monthly expiry. Fair high probability that you would take home 3% money on your capital of 55,000. Very, very high probability. Let's see. Markets will tell us what to do. Cheers. Very nice. Happy trading. Have a nice weekend and great trading ahead. And if you like this, please share, subscribe, and be part of the journey. Cheers. Bye.